right, today we are going to add two mixed numbers together. So to do that, we will be using butterfly, but first we have to change each of these mixed numbers into improper fractions. So to do that, we first start, we multiply. 9 times 1 is 9, and we add 2 to it, so we get 11 ninths, keep the denominator, plus, again, 6 times 3 is 18. 18 plus 5 is 23. Keep the denominator of the 6. Now we're ready to butterfly. Okay, so we're going to multiply. 11 times 6 is 66, plus 23 times 9. If I'm not sure what that is, I'm going to write it right off to the side and solve it. So it's 207. And then at the bottom, I multiply the 9 times the 6, and I get 54. So 207 plus 66, I'll do that off to the side. $273 over 54. So now I need to divide because this is an improper fraction. I don't leave my answers as improper fractions. I leave them as mixed numbers. So I'm now going to divide. See how many times 54 goes into 273? So I'm going to write what I know. Off to the side over here. 54 times 1 equals 54. 54 times 2 equals 108. 54 times 5, I need to do off to the side to figure out what that is. 54 times 5, 270. So I know that's going to be the closest to this, otherwise I'm going to end up going over. So I'm going to subtract out 270. And I get 3 left over. And so under my added up over here, I'm going to have 270 is 5 times. So my next number is going to be 5, because that's what's under my added up. 3 becomes my numerator. What's left over becomes the numerator. And then the denominator is going to be the 54. It stays the same. Okay. Now I can reduce that. I can divide both the numerator and the denominator by 3. So if I divide these both by 3, I get 1. And if I divide 54 by 3, well, I need to do out that division. I need to do another partial quotients. A lot of work with partial quotients today. What we know 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 10 is 30. 3 times 20 is 60. So that's too high now. So we're going to subtract out 30. We'll get 24. Okay. So 30 was 10 times. Under added up, I'm going to put a 10. Okay. Then I'm going to subtract out 15, because that's my next closest without going over. So I get 9. So now 15 is 5 times. 9, I'm going to subtract out 6. I just need to continue it over here. I'm running out of room. And I get 3. 6 is 2 times. And 3, subtract out 3, it will be another 1 time. Okay. Running off. Okay, so now I add all these up and I get 18. So my final answer is 5 1/18. It's multi-step, but if you do it step by step by step, you can get there.